Today's day 9 of 14 days of Valentine's Day. Today I'm making cinnamon buns with a strawberry frosting. First I have a greased 8x8 pan, and then I'm going to pour some heavy cream to coat the bottom of the pan. Next I have some cinnamon rolls. I'm going to add them to the pan. Then I'm going to add some splashes of heavy cream to the top of the cinnamon rolls and then bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. While the cinnamon rolls are baking, I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add the icing that came with the cinnamon buns. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of freeze-dried strawberries that I put in a blender until it became powder. Next I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix that up until it's combined. Now I put the strawberry buttercream into a piping bag, and I'm going to add some on top of each cinnamon bun. Lastly, I'm going to add some pink sprinkles on top. Here's an up-close look of the cinnamon bun with strawberry frosting.